Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. Let me introduce the newest products, the refrigerator and the freezer chest stylings. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. Will be 65.5 inches in the length and 29.5 inches in the depth. Front side will be 29 inches in the height. Back will be 34 inches height. And also you can see they have adjuster temperature here. You can set for cooler or freezers and showing the temperature, and I also have the LED lights right here. Using the American 110 standard plugs right here. Let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, they have a water exhaust here, and also have the sticker on the units coming with the EPL sanitation approved. Let's take a measurement for the inner side. The sliding top tube. And this one have the set glass right here. And this also the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basket units. And this one, the basket will be 22.5 inches for the units for the basket, and 7.5 inches for the heights, and 11.5 inches in the width. The inner side for the units will be 23.5 inches in the depth and the overall length will be 59 inches. And also the 2 feet. Thank you so much. If you have more questions, you can just contact with us and we will give you more details and the assistance to get units. Thank you.